At eFOLDi, we're a family business that truly cares. We bring mobility right to your door. Our friendly advisors come to you, ready to listen, understand and guide you. No hard sell, just honest support. We take the time to understand your needs and find the best solution, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident in your choice. Our products are designed to make your life easier, folding and unfolding in seconds, ready to take you wherever you want to go. You'll get to try it for yourself, making sure it fits your needs and lifestyle and helps you live life to the fullest. Our scooters and chairs are easy to store and take wherever you go, because we want you to live independently and confidently. Take it for a test drive and see how it fits into your world. At eFOLDi, we're here to support you for wherever life takes you. We're a family business that genuinely cares, and we're here to make sure you have the mobility you need when you need it.
Thanks for coming.
Pleasure.
Thank you very much, great.
Pleasure.
Great to meet you.